Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 29th May 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in the news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. Let us start off by first taking a look at Nifty. Nifty opened mostly flat today with a slight positive bias but traded in the red for most of the trading session before witnessing a steep correction that sent the index below both stated support levels after 3 p.m. The NSE index fell by 1.50% or 359.40 points to close at 23,547.75. Today's sharp fall was mostly due to persistent FII selling, uncertainty surrounding US-Iran peace talks, and expectations of a weaker monsoon as per IMD reports. Today's losses were led by the oil and gas, metals, and auto sectors, with most indices ending in the red. IT was the only major sector to end in the green. Volatility saw a steep spike due to the sudden drop towards the end of today's trading session. Following today's correction, supports may be moved lower to 23,540, followed by 23,400, while resistances may be placed at 23,690, followed by 23,830. On Monday, a recovery cannot be ruled out after the sharp drop seen today due to value buying at lower levels. However, if today's momentum carries over, the index may head lower. Geopolitical updates from the Middle East, as well as other external cues may affect market moves next week. For updated levels, do check out our pre-market video on Monday morning. The NSE index will be bullish if 24,000 is reclaimed on the path to recovery, while a break below 23,260 could send Nifty lower. Let us now check out how Sensex traded today. The BSE index performed slightly better than Nifty as it fell by 1.44% or 1,092 points to close at approximately 74,776. Levels need to be adjusted downwards after today's drop, with supports now being at 74,600 followed by 74,190, while resistances will be at 75,135 followed by 75,720. Sensex will be bullish above 76,645, while a break below the latter support level placed at 74,190 may hand control back to the bears. Now, for a look at what has been happening with crude oil. Crude oil has been trading with a negative bias as it has posted over 19% losses in May, with the commodity still heading lower. Ongoing US-Iran talks, despite the various ups and downs, seem to be pressuring prices at the energy counter. Volatility for the commodity remains elevated given the sharp moves being witnessed currently. Updated supports for crude oil will be at 8,290, followed by 8,130, while resistances may be moved down to 8,440, followed by 8,565. For today, the commodity may be expected to head lower as external cues for crude oil seem mostly negative, with profit booking being witnessed after the conflict-led rally over the past few months. As the Middle East becomes relatively peaceful, the selling pressure may continue and send prices lower. A sell-on-rise approach with strict stop losses may be adopted by traders at this counter. Crude oil will be bullish if 8,880 is breached on the upside, while bearish momentum will be witnessed if the commodity corrects below 8,020. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Asian Paints reported a strong Q4 performance, with net profit rising 69% year-on-year to 1,172 crore rupees, beating analyst expectations on the back of healthy demand growth. The company also announced a dividend of 23 rupees per share, which further supported positive investor sentiment around the stock. Gaming stocks like Delta Corp and Nazara Technologies came under heavy selling pressure after the Supreme Court upheld a 28% GST on online gaming. The ruling triggered sharp declines across the sector, with investors worried about rising tax liabilities and the long-term impact on profitability. Happiest Minds Technologies posted a robust Q4 performance, with net profit surging 80% year-on-year to 61 crore rupees. Revenue also grew nearly 11%, reflecting steady demand for digital transformation and IT services, despite broader sector challenges. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted this weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Rajesh Singh will be conducting a webinar on the topic how to use rhythm state trading indicator for options buying. And on Sunday at 2:30 p.m., Mr. Amol Chape will conduct a webinar on the topic Options Trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.